In the third test match between Pakistan and India, played at Wankhede Stadium in Bombay from December 16 to 20, 1979, Javed Miandad showed great fight. He scored 64 runs from 126 balls in 144 minutes, hitting 7 beautiful fours. Even though the video is not in high quality, it's still a joy for cricket fans who love watching classic matches between these two big rivals. Miandad innings could not save Pakistan from a 131 runs loss, but the way he played under pressure showed his strong spirit and determination. Now let's enjoy the video and relive this unforgettable moment from cricket history.
That would be 4 runs. Cross the diving Chauhan. Chauhan may have just got his hand through that ball. It's not a catch or anything, it's along the back.
और इस बार जावेद को ज़्यादा पता नहीं लगा कि नीचे रही, लेकिन जब बल्ले का कोने ले गई, बहुत ही तेजी से था. फिर इस बार स्वीप किया उन्होंने, डीप बैकवर्ड्स को अलग. पाकिस्तान 90. ये कैच जर्मनी के हाथ से निकल गया. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की थी उन्होंने, लेकिन गेंद उनके ग्लव्स पे लगने के बाद उसे वो बंद नहीं कर पाए मुट्ठी को अपनी.
And that could have almost been full. Hit Yashpal and Kimani made a tremendous effort to catch that ball. This would have been a remarkable catch if he had caught it.
I think if it had been hit right in the center, it would have come much lower and much faster. This thing climbed into the sky.
But straight to Kaka. And I think Ghavri lost sight of the ball. Because Ghavri, at last moment, it is coming towards him. I think he lost sight of it. 4 runs to Javed. 34, his fifth for Pakistan, 117 for 5.
In that, this has been called 4 runs.
2 down, 3 down.
Slightly short, and Miandad was an extremely strong cutter and puller. In absolutely perfect position to pull that with a short arm pull to mid-wicket for 4. 9. 43 मिनट तक विकेट पर रहे, छक्का लगाया और 2 चौके, और कुल मिलाकर उन्होंने 28 रन, इमरान ने 19 रन.
That's 4 runs. With a 7-4, 160 for 6 Pakistan. 3 finishes his open.
That's 4 runs. Kapil took evasive action. That ball jumped up. Qadir at the last moment changing his stroke. And if Kapil had been standing in his normal position. बचपना के हाथ से ये कैच निकल गया. 4 रन. आगे खेले जैसे कि स्लो अंपायर के निर्णय से सहमत नहीं. पाकिस्तान 178, 8 विकेट पर.
Javed Miandad was known for his fearless and clever batting style. especially in India. Whenever he played on Indian soil, he brought a strong sense of confidence and determination to the crease. He was mentally strong, as Indian crowd could be very loud and intense, but he never let the pressure get to him. He stayed focused and calm even in tough situations. Mihrdad was a very smart player. He could read the bowler's mind and adjust quickly. In India, where pitches often help spin bowlers, he used his sharp cricketing brain to rotate strike and play clever shots. Mihrdad was excellent against spinners. He used his feet well, came down the track confidently and played both defensive and attacking shot with ease. He had a strong leg side game. He was very good at flicks, pulls and shots behind the square, which helped him score runs easily in Indian conditions. No matter the match situation, Mihrdad never gave up. He was always ready to fight for his team. His innings in India were often full of grit and determination. Even though he faced huge Indian crowds, Mihrdad never backed down. In fact, he often performed better when the crowd was against him, turning pressure into motivation. Javed Mihdad's batting in India was full of confidence, cleverness and courage. He remains one of the most respected and admired visiting batsmen to have played in Indian conditions. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.